Hi everyone, I'm Zoe. I've been working as a business consultant and running my own business for over 10 years. Today, I want to give you a behind the scenes look at how I manage everything using vcita. So I've been using the vcita business management solution for more than 3 years now. And honestly, it's become the platform for my workday, and it's super easy too. If you're a coach or a consultant like myself, or any service-based business owner really, you should keep watching as I'll show you exactly how vcita helps me save time, stay organized, and give my clients a 5-star experience. To start off, I have my dashboard view. So this is where I have the best bird's eye view of my week, and I can see everything at a glance: upcoming appointments, incoming payments, and new clients. From here, I start my workday by going into my calendar. For me, booking calls have always been just a major headache, and I spent so many hours on the phone trying to schedule and reschedule, back and forth emails, missed appointments, you name it. And now vcita CRM really changed all that. My clients can schedule straight from my client portal or website and pick from my services, such as a strategy session or a free discovery call. I also have recurring appointments with my regular clients, and everyone receives an automated confirmation as well as a reminder before our meeting, which has reduced our no-shows substantially. And now, even if I get a new lead or inquiry through the website, which, by the way, is one of the most amazing features that I love about vcita. It's where I get real-time notifications for any new lead directly to my phone, so I don't lose any new business opportunities. So for those new inquiries that come in, vcita's built-in AI assistant pre-crafts a reply, which I simply review. No need to search all the client history. It's all based on the information that the prospect sent me, and it saves me tons of time. So before I go into a meeting, I always review the client information in my vcita CRM. What was discussed in the previous session, any notes I took. This is where I have all the information that I need: emails, invoices, notes, appointments. It's all in one place. This really helps me stay on top of things and serve my clients better, and it's super easy to manage and navigate. And if I want to look not at one client in particular, but at groups of clients, I'll go to my personalized CRM view. Here I can use custom filters to save groups of clients under a specific category, such as open payments, for example. This helps me prioritize my tasks, stay organized, and take quick actions fast when needed. This is how I use the vcita CRM for my business, but this can really serve you for all types of segmentation, views, or workflows that match your own business needs. Okay, let's jump over and talk about money. So in my sales tab is where I find all the received, expected, and overdue payments. I can create estimates, which I can send my clients for approval, which then turn into branded invoices in seconds. My clients can pay online through credit card, PayPal, bank transfer, Venmo, so any preferred payment method, cash of course as well, which I can add manually, and it's all tracked here in the system. So in case a client hasn't paid their invoice on time, which yes, it does happen unfortunately, vcita will send automatic payment reminders. So for one, the late payments get paid almost immediately with the notifications, but also, besides very rare cases, I don't need to make uncomfortable phone calls asking my clients to pay because vcita just takes care of it for me. So, as I say, I get paid faster without having to chase people, which is a huge game changer. All right, next up is the vcita marketing module. Now, I have to say that I was always shying away from everything marketing. It's just not my strong suit. But vcita's email marketing is actually simple enough for me to use it and engage with it regularly with my clients with these professional looking emails and campaigns, especially when I'm having some special offer. But I also have automated campaigns that send a birthday greeting to my clients, as I'm all in the business of relationship building. So this is crucial for my business. All I do is customize the vcita templates with my branding, and I even use the AI tool to write up the emails quickly, and that's it. Two more things I want to touch on that I think are great with vcita. One is the client portal, which I've used especially at the beginning when I didn't have a website yet. It allowed me to have a mini site where my clients can find all the important information about my business, with my branding, where they can schedule and send a message, view and pay invoices. It's great, super simple to set up, and it's part of the vcita offering. And if you do have a website or you start building one, you can add these actionable widgets for booking and contact forms on it. So you capture those visitors in your vcita CRM. The second thing I wanted to mention is that vcita also has a great mobile app. I'm often on the go, so I have all the information I need in my pocket, and I get notified immediately when a new booking or payment comes in. So I'm always up to date. And I think that's it for today. So in summary, vcita's business management solution has helped me stay organized, look professional, and focus on what really matters, my clients. I hope this helped you get a better overview of what vcita can do and how you can use it for your business. If you got curious, start a free trial or book a free demo using the links in the description. Thanks for watching.